Take a ride in the 2017 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, keyless start, aluminum wheels, floor mats, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, CD player. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Come take a test drive today.